The state of Washington, with its unique geographic features, can be divided into watersheds, which is defined as an area that catches rain and snow, which then drains into marshes, streams, rivers, lakes, or groundwater. These natural watersheds come in a variety of shapes and sizes, which contribute to water quality and overall health of ecosystems. The Puyallup River watershed, encompassing virtually every type of land use imaginable, extends from the crests of the Cascade Mountains and Mount Rainier to Commencement Bay at the city of Tacoma. The watershed is also considered home to roughly 500,000 people in both Pierce and King County. Mount Rainier, with an elevation of 14,410 feet, creates high slopes which drains more than half of Mount Rainier into the rest of the watershed below. Meltwater from glaciers of Mount Rainier come from the north and west sides, forming the tributaries that eventually join together to form the Puyallup River, which flows into Puget Sound at Commencement Bay. Human activity such as logging, agriculture, and forest clearings began for small farms and residences of the lower and middle reaches of the watershed from the mid to late 1800s. By the 1930s, most of the valley bottom and adjacent hill slopes were cleared as well. Around this time, humans began attempting to control and confine the rivers of this watershed, such as the Puyallup, through construction of levees and dams. From the 1970s to present day, conversion of residential land in the lower basin to more industrial and urban land use practices began occurring. These kinds of activities are dramatically influencing as well as altering the natural geography of the Puyallup River watershed and its contribution to the health of the Puget Sound. The Puyallup River watershed not only provides an environment for human development and industry, but is also important for communities of forests and wildlife that are essential to the preservation of the Puget Sound ecosystem. With the lack of knowledge of the consequences humans have on altering the landscape, negative repercussions such as water pollution and flooding can occur. By urging county, state, and federal governments to become more sustainable, the Puyallup River and its tributaries can return to its productive ecosystem as it once was for thousands of years. Forest cover retention, restoration of floodplains and wetlands, creating a city stormwater system that retains water longer are all examples of how Pierce and King County communities can help reduce the impacts it has had on the natural geography of the Puyallup River watershed.